Hello from Tao Garden. My name is Walter Kellenberger. I'm a senior instructor of the Universal Healing Tao System, and I live here now more than 20 years at Tao Garden. Today we talk still about yawning. What last time I already mentioned, yawning is really an essential part in our daily life. We should yawn a lot. So not only to lubricate the eyes, so when we lubricate the eyes, it's cooling down the inner system, meaning the eyes are connecting to the whole system in the body. And when you lubricate the eyes, they're getting cooler, and so you make your eyes cool. That's why we say sometimes, be cool boy. So we're cooling down the inner system. It's the cooling system yawning. So give you wet eyes, so when you suffer from dry eyes, you're cooling down the system. And the next part, what is an essential part, is you're releasing internal gas through the yawning, what actually the Western medicine not recognize that. And this is a very important part, yawning. So when you need to do deep yawning, that this releasing internally gas, which makes your health much better. I will talk next time about belching, yawning, to releasing gas out of the body. Really, I feel this is something important what we should know, and we should train the body to do it. So remember, better health through yawning and belching. I see you next time. Bye bye. Have a good time.